This at a grad sale one time, and she brought this home for me as a present.
A memory from a happier time. Just 1 week ago, Fred Lang's stepdaughter was found dead in her home after a drug overdose. Today, he has a message for those who sold it to her.
Please, please, please. Stop. Because you're killing people.
49-year-old Debbie Porter was one of 8 who died in separate incidents in just 1 week in the Victoria area. Lang blames a batch of drugs tainted with the powerful synthetic fentanyl.
I don't think the people that are selling these drugs that are killing the people probably even know what they're selling. It's the people higher up, the people that are putting these drugs together.
Another death is being mourned at this Victoria homeless camp where Brad Paul was found recently dead inside a tent.
So many have died outside of just this camp, and they just get forgotten.
Victoria is the latest hotspot in a nationwide spike in drug-related deaths. Seizures of fentanyl in Canada have grown exponentially, up more than 30-fold in just 5 years. It has health officials calling for more action.
We provide people with safe, clean supplies and know where to use them. And so then we wonder why people are dying.
Asked if more supervised drug-using sites were being contemplated, the federal health minister said in a statement to CBC today, when properly established and managed, supervised consumption sites have the potential to reduce the harms associated with drug abuse on individual users and communities.
Well, I'm very excited to hear the language around evidence-based treatment.
In addition to medically supervised drug use, this doctor and other addiction specialists want wider access to drug antidotes and better education for doctors.
Peer-reviewed literature is telling us this is the best we can do at treating this to reduce human suffering and to save costs to our society. We need to implement those strategies.
And there's urgency. So far this year in just Alberta and British Columbia, there have been more than 300 deaths linked to fentanyl, each one a heartbreak in its own way. Greg Rasmussen, CBC News, Vancouver.